gonna go ahead and replace the speaker strobe right here. We're gonna change it into the system sensor P2R horn strobe. We're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Let's do it. Alright, so as you can see, I just took off the cover piece. Well, like normally this one could fit right onto the alarm. And then as you see the screw right here. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew the alarm with our this screwdriver right here. Well, this screwdriver fits right onto here. Unscrew it. This will work. Take it out. Okay. Alright, remove this. We're gonna go ahead and remove the wires. No, we're gonna remove this thing. Okay. And then here's another wire. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew this one as well. Screw in a bit. Alright, now wires has been pulled off. We're gonna also pull out this longish wire right here. We're gonna go ahead and like throw it away. Alright, so the speaker strobe is uninstalled to the board. So we're gonna pop this in. There you go. Oh, there's a screw on it. Just give me a minute. Okay, now your speaker strobe is gone, so we're gonna put this down. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and put on the system sensor P2R Horn strobe. So as you can see, the volume is actually very low. I think, or maybe, I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and install this one right over here. So we're gonna connect the wires to the bracket first, and then we can put the unit right into it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see, I just attached the bracket because as you can see, I already have one screw right onto it, not three. You know, like three cannot like fit right onto the holes here, but we're gonna go ahead and connect the wires to here. So this pole station the wires are connecting to the horn strobe and the batteries. We're gonna go ahead and wire this up now. So as you can see, there's a sticker here. The negative is the negative right here, and these are the two positives. So I'd rather have one positive with me. So let's go ahead and get started. Or as you can see, you can make it as a 4-wire horn. So we'd rather do that. Alright, now your bracket's in. And now as you can see, we're going to go ahead and connect the alarm part. The P2R horn. So all you literally have to do is you're going to put those points up here. That's going to work. We're going to go ahead and connect this here. And boom. And now you're going to go ahead and tighten the screw. All the way. And then we'll be ready to pull it. After we're done. Now we're going to go ahead and test it. You ready? You ready? Let's go ahead and test it. We'll give it a test. Yeah, the batteries are low on this. Something strange about these batteries. Alright, we're going to go ahead and reset the pole station with the simplex B key. And then we're going to go ahead and give this thing a test. So it's gonna work up. Alright, you ready? Instead of pulling it, let's go ahead and key activate. Key activate in 3, 2, 1. Strange. Alright, that's a fail. Let's try this again. Alright, you ready? Key activating. There you go. And let's give this one a pull. There you go. Alright, y'all. Have a good day, and I'm going to see you a little bit.